I am pretty tilted today, not gonna lie. It's been about 2.5 hours of Spectrum internet just being absolute fucking dog water. Here we are. We're live. Let's get into it. We'll make some 8-bit at real quick. 8-bit at. So check it out. If you don't have Photoshop, there's a website. I'll show it to you right now. It's pretty much the same exact thing as Photoshop, and this is how you get onto it. Photo P. This is the icon. It's free. I want everybody to use that thing, so please make art on Photo P. Found this guy, Blue Lighting TV Photoshop. I haven't really seen anybody use this style before. It's only got 80,000 views. I don't know how recreatable it is at this point, so we're gonna find that out real quick. Open Sesame. Let's go. And I need to first make that a layer, take it off of being a locked picture. The next thing I'm going to do is remove all the green. Magic? Wow. We'll just patch that up real quick. Stamp. Nice. Looks good enough, I think. It looks good enough. Boom. Now we got to do, it's going to be a smart blur for the first one. His is a bit more blurred. Look at his glasses, they're even starting to be a little bit more. That's better, huh? Now this might take a little while to apply. Photoshop uses a ton of RAM. Don't try to do this on a laptop. Alright, and then the next step is going to be to do a filter, filter gallery. We need to go to cutout. Pretty sure he said make the levels 8. That's good. Make the simplicity 6, I think. That's what he said. We'll go with OK. Hue saturation, luminous. There we go. I'll be a blueberry. Oh wait, that's actually perfect because my character's blue.
And click duplicate layer. Make the document new and name resolution 8 pixels and image size. Created a new document of our image of the same name. Go to image and image size. Make its resolution 8 pixels per inch and the width or the height 64 pixels.
No, 8 pixels per inch. Let's see what this looks like. Alright. I feel like it would look better if I could see my eyes. This was a way better result though. Although his eyes are messed up like mine. But I think we'll try a picture next time that doesn't have glasses on. That was a pretty cool tutorial. I'm gonna give that a thumbs up. You guys want to try this out? Called Photoshop. Best way to create classic 8-bit avatars from photos by Blue Lightning TV Photoshop.